Over time, communication has evolved, but education has remained the same. While the way we communicate has transformed from cave paintings to handwritten books and now ebooks available on modern smartphone, entertainment has evolved from actors performing a play on an open stage to a theater, and now in the form of blockbuster movies. In the modern world, movies are made entirely on computer with animation, whereas education has remained trapped in the past, where it is still in the form of books and theoretical knowledge. Even for the students having access to the cutting-edge technology, the education still served in books and blackboard. Until now. Welcome to the future of learning. My name is Riya, and I am here to change the game, where I will guide you through the journey of education, where we learn through animated stories and practical experiments. So, what are you waiting for? Join us on this exciting journey into the future of education. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification so you won't miss the bus. Your journey to the future of education begins now.